Some bike rides feel totally normal until you realize how much smoother, safer, and easier they could be with the right upgrades. A small gadget can change the whole riding experience without touching the bike itself. In this video, we're exploring 21 cool bike gadgets on Amazon you'll instantly want, featuring essential bike gadgets and accessories built for comfort, safety, and smart riding. From clever safety tools to futuristic add-ins, these picks can completely improve your daily rides. Stay tuned, because a few of these might make your cycling feel totally different from today onward. Number 1. BLITZU Bike Lights. Night rides instantly feel safer when BLITZU bike lights cut through darkness with bright, steady illumination that keeps you visible from far away during traffic or low light conditions. It improves confidence on every ride by lighting up roads, paths, and corners clearly, so you can react faster. The easy mounting system lets you attach it quickly without tools or stress. Long battery life ensures reliable performance on daily commutes or long rides. Compact design keeps your bike clean and light. This simple upgrade dramatically boosts safety, visibility, and peace of mind whenever you ride after sunset. Number 2. LESOVI Bike Horn. Traffic awareness becomes much easier when the LESOVI bike horn delivers a powerful sound that instantly grabs attention and helps clear your path during busy streets or crowded cycling routes. It ensures other riders, pedestrians, and vehicles notice you quickly for safer movement in unpredictable situations. The compact design fits neatly on your handlebars without adding bulk or distraction. Easy push activation allows quick response when needed most. Built for durability, it handles daily use without losing volume or performance. This horn adds confidence, safety, and control to every ride, especially in high traffic or urban environments. Number 3. USUPERINK Bike Alarm. Bike security becomes stronger when the USUPERINK bike alarm detects movement and triggers a loud alert that discourages theft attempts before they even begin in parking areas or outdoor stops. It reacts instantly to vibration or tampering, giving you early warning protection wherever your bike is left. The compact body hides easily on your frame without being noticeable. A simple setup makes it quick to install without complicated wiring. Battery efficiency ensures long-lasting protection for daily use. This smart safety upgrade adds peace of mind, keeping your bike secure whether parked at home, work, or public spaces. Number 4. Seatylock Bike Lock. Protecting your bike feels more reliable with the Seatylock Bike Lock, designed with strong materials that resist cutting, bending, and tampering during outdoor parking situations or long stops. It gives you confidence in leaving your bike unattended in busy or unfamiliar places. The folding structure makes it easy to carry while riding without taking up extra space. Smooth locking mechanism allows quick securing and unlocking when needed. Its durable build ensures long-term protection against theft attempts. This lock brings security, convenience, and peace of mind together, making it an essential tool for everyday cyclists who value safety. Number 5. Krcqap Tire Pump. Flat tires no longer ruin your ride when the Krcqap tire pump delivers fast and efficient inflation that gets you back on the road in minutes without frustration or delay during cycling trips. It works smoothly with different valve types, making it versatile for various bikes. Compact size allows easy carrying in your backpack or bike frame. Strong air pressure ensures quick inflation with minimal effort. Durable construction supports repeated use without performance loss. This pump brings convenience, reliability, and emergency readiness into your cycling routine, making unexpected tire issues far easier to handle wherever you ride. Number 6. LIVALL Bike Booster. Cycling becomes smarter and safer when the LIVALL Bike Booster enhances your ride with advanced features that improve visibility, communication, and overall riding experience in real time. It helps increase awareness on the road while keeping you more connected during outdoor rides. Built for modern cyclists, it combines technology and convenience in a compact form. Easy integration with your bike ensures a smooth setup without complexity. It improves confidence during night or long-distance rides by adding extra safety support. This gadget transforms regular cycling into a more intelligent, secure, and enjoyable riding experience every single day. Number 7. Wsdcam Bike Alarm. Security gets a serious upgrade with the Wsdcam Bike Alarm that responds instantly to vibration or movement by producing a loud alert designed to stop theft attempts before they progress further. It gives you peace of mind whether your bike is parked outdoors, at work, or in public areas. The compact design allows discreet installation without drawing attention. Adjustable sensitivity lets you control how it responds to movement. Easy installation ensures quick setup without technical difficulty. This alarm adds reliable protection, stronger security, and daily confidence for cyclists who want to keep their bikes safe at all times. Number 8. LISEN Phone Holder. Navigation becomes far more convenient when the LISEN phone holder keeps your smartphone securely mounted on your handlebars for easy viewing during rides without distraction or unsafe handling. It holds your device firmly even on rough roads or bumpy paths. Adjustable grip ensures compatibility with different phone sizes. Quick installation allows easy setup without tools or effort. The stable design keeps your screen steady for GPS tracking, music control, or ride apps. This accessory improves safety, comfort, and accessibility, making every ride smoother and more organized while keeping your focus on the road ahead. Number 9. ULANZI Clamp Mount. Capturing every ride becomes easier when the ULANZI clamp mount securely holds cameras or accessories in place, allowing stable recording during cycling without shaking or losing angle on uneven roads. It provides strong grip support so your device stays fixed even during fast movement. Flexible adjustment lets you change angles for better shots and creative perspectives. Compact design makes it easy to carry without adding weight. Durable build ensures long-term reliability for outdoor use. This mount enhances your cycling experience by letting you document rides smoothly, clearly, and professionally without complicated setup or adjustments. Number 10. WOTOW Repair Kit. Unexpected bike issues become less stressful when the WOTOW Repair Kit gives you essential tools for quick fixes like tire patches, adjustments, and minor repairs during rides or emergencies. It ensures you can handle common breakdowns without waiting for assistance or walking your bike home. Compact design fits easily into backpacks or bike storage areas. Organized tool layout makes everything easy to find when needed. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use for regular cyclists. This kit brings preparedness, confidence, and independence to your rides, making sure small problems never interrupt your journey again. Number 11. MOYACA Smart Helmet. Safety feels more advanced when the MOYACA Smart Helmet combines protection with smart features that enhance visibility and communication while you ride through busy roads or long cycling routes. It provides solid impact protection while also improving awareness through built-in tech support. The aerodynamic design keeps it comfortable during extended rides without pressure or discomfort. Adjustable straps ensure a secure fit for different head sizes. Ventilation channels keep airflow steady for cooling. This helmet upgrades traditional safety gear into a smarter riding experience, giving cyclists more confidence, protection, and control in every journey. Number 12. Generic Bike Speaker. Riding becomes more enjoyable when the generic bike speaker delivers clear audio for music, navigation prompts, or calls while you stay focused on the road without distractions. It attaches easily to your bike and stays stable even on uneven paths or fast rides. The sound output is strong enough to hear outdoors without distortion. Compact design keeps it lightweight and portable for daily use. Battery performance supports long riding sessions without frequent charging. This speaker adds entertainment, convenience, and awareness to cycling, making every ride feel more engaging, energetic, and connected. Number 13. ETENWOLF Mini Pump. Emergency tire situations become less stressful when the ETENWOLF Mini Pump delivers fast inflation in a compact form that fits easily in your pocket or bike bag for quick roadside fixes. It works efficiently with different valve types, making it highly versatile for various bikes. Strong air output reduces pumping effort while saving valuable time during rides. Lightweight design makes it easy to carry without noticing extra weight. Durable construction ensures long-term reliability for repeated use. This mini pump adds readiness, convenience, and confidence, ensuring flat tires never fully stop your cycling journey again. Number 14. UPPEL speaker mount. Bike audio setups become more stable when the UPPEL speaker mount securely holds your speaker in place, preventing movement or vibration even during rough terrain or fast cycling conditions. It ensures consistent sound direction, so your music or navigation remains clear while riding. The adjustable structure allows compatibility with different speaker sizes. Easy installation makes setup quick without tools or complications. Strong grip design keeps everything steady during long rides. This mount improves sound experience, convenience, and ride quality, turning ordinary cycling into a more enjoyable and organized audio-friendly journey every time. Number 15. Sttoraboks bike stand. Bike storage becomes far more organized when the Sttoraboks bike stand provides stable support that keeps your bicycle upright without leaning against walls or risking scratches and falls. It ensures safe parking at home, garage, or outdoor spaces with strong structural balance. Adjustable design fits different bike types with ease. Non-slip base improves stability on various surfaces. Easy setup allows quick use without tools or effort. This stand improves storage safety, organization, and convenience, making it easier to maintain your bike properly while keeping your space clean and clutter-free every day. Number 16. Fitense bike camera. Every ride becomes easier to document when the Fitense bike camera captures smooth, stable footage of your cycling journey, helping you record scenery, routes, or safety evidence without shaky results. It provides clear video quality even on rough or fast-moving roads. Compact design allows easy mounting without interfering with riding comfort. Long battery life supports extended recording sessions. Simple controls make it easy to start and stop recording during rides. This camera enhances safety, memory capture, and content creation, turning everyday cycling into a visually documented experience worth revisiting. Number 17. Whale Fall Bag. Carrying essentials becomes more convenient when the Whale Fall Bag provides secure storage space for tools, snacks, and personal items during cycling trips without affecting balance or comfort. It attaches firmly to your bike frame and stays stable even on uneven terrain. Water-resistant material helps protect belongings from light rain or splashes. Compact design avoids bulk while maximizing storage efficiency. Easy access compartments make reaching items quick during rides. This bag adds practicality, organization, and reliability, making cycling trips more comfortable and well prepared for longer journeys or daily commutes. Number 18. PID-Zoom helmet mirror. Road awareness improves significantly when the PID-Zoom helmet mirror gives you a clear rear view without needing to turn your head constantly during cycling, improving safety and control on busy roads. It helps you track approaching vehicles and maintain better positioning while riding. Lightweight design ensures comfort without adding pressure to your helmet. Adjustable angle allows flexible viewing based on preference. Strong build keeps it stable even during long rides. This mirror enhances safety, awareness, and confidence, making cycling in traffic safer, smoother, and more controlled in everyday riding conditions. Number 19. CycPlus bike computer. Tracking performance becomes easier when the CycPlus bike computer displays real-time data like speed, distance, and riding stats that help you monitor progress and improve cycling efficiency. It provides clear readings during rides so you can stay informed without distraction. Compact screen design mounts easily on handlebars for quick visibility. Long battery life supports extended rides without interruption. A simple interface makes operation easy for all riders. This device enhances performance awareness, training improvement, and ride tracking, making cycling more structured, goal-oriented, and motivating for everyday riders and fitness-focused cyclists. Number 20. FlexTail Gear Mini Pump. Unexpected tire pressure issues become less stressful when the FlexTail Gear Mini Pump delivers powerful and fast inflation in a portable design that fits easily in your bag or cycling gear. It provides strong air output to quickly restore tire pressure without exhausting manual effort. Compact structure makes it ideal for emergency use during long rides or travel. A rechargeable system ensures convenience without constant replacements. Durable build supports repeated cycling conditions. This pump improves preparedness, reliability, and confidence, ensuring cyclists can handle flat tire situations quickly and continue their ride without major interruption. Number 21. Camelback Handlebar Pack. Long rides become more comfortable when the Camelback Handlebar Pack keeps hydration, snacks, and essentials within easy reach without stopping or breaking rhythm during cycling journeys. It attaches securely to handlebars for stable storage even on rough terrain. Lightweight design prevents extra strain while riding. Multiple compartments help organize items efficiently for quick access. Water-resistant material protects contents from weather conditions. Easy installation allows quick setup before rides. This pack improves convenience, hydration access, and ride efficiency, making cycling smoother, more prepared, and more enjoyable for both short trips and long-distance adventures. That's a wrap on 21 cool bike gadgets that can seriously upgrade the way you ride every day. From safety boosts to smart convenience tools, these picks prove small upgrades make a big difference. If you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more game-changing gear videos coming soon.